Hey, Steven here. You know, I love the sun. It's like a big warm hug in the sky. But let's be real, the solar industry can be a bit of a nightmare. You got the hidden fees, the complicated long-term 25+ year contracts, and all that other stuff that makes you want to rip your hair out. But hey, if you're into that sort of thing and a glutton for torture and punishment, knock yourself out. Or you could join the Terra Energy revolution and never look back. At Terra Energy, we're offering a short-term 36-month energy subscription that offers all the benefits with zero risk and cost for our program. And with our subscription model, you get the right energy solutions without the costs that make you want to cry. No more dealing with 25+ year loans or unexpected charges, just simple, affordable, sustainable energy. Saving money, saving the planet, it's like a double rainbow, but better. And with Terra Energy, you can join the revolution and start saving immediately. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Terra Energy subscription plan today and let's stick it to the man. And by man, I mean all those other solar companies that are ripping you off.